Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Goulds local and long distance movers near me. Regarding local moves in Goulds FL, we go above and beyond to ensure our clients' smooth and efficient transition. Our highly trained Goulds local TM movers will handle every aspect of your move, from packing and loading to transportation and unloading. One of the advantages of choosing 3 Movers is our deep familiarity with the streets of Goulds. Our extensive knowledge of the city allows us to plan the most efficient routes, navigate through any traffic challenges, and ensure prompt and timely delivery of your belongings to your new home. This expertise saves you valuable time and energy and minimizes the risk of delays or disruptions during the moving process. By entrusting your local move to 3 Movers, you can enjoy knowing your possessions are in capable hands. Unlike local moves, long-distance moves involve greater distances and logistical complexities, often requiring multiple days to complete. At 3 Movers, we have the expertise to coordinate every aspect of your long-distance move seamlessly. From packing your belongings securely to navigating through different routes and ensuring timely delivery, we prioritize your items' safe and efficient transportation. Keeping your items safe is our utmost priority. Our team employs industry-leading packing techniques using high-quality packing materials and handles your possessions with utmost care throughout the journey. We understand the value of your belongings and treat them as if they were our own. We also believe in providing the best pricing options within your budget. We offer competitive rates for long-distance moves, ensuring that you receive exceptional service without breaking the bank. Our transparent pricing structure ensures no hidden costs or surprises along the way. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gould's moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.